Musical Alphabet 3. To develop your playing further, it's important that you get a good understanding of the musical alphabet. Learning the logics here is key, and it's actually quite easy. So remember, there are only 12 different notes spread out on the fretboard. These are A sharp or B flat, B, C, C sharp or D flat, D, D sharp or E flat, E, F, F sharp or G flat, G, G sharp or A flat. The frets on each string follow this order, and when you get to the G sharp, it starts from A again. Remember that there is no note between B and C and between E and F. Between all other notes, there are sharps and flats. So playing the thickest string open, we have E. Then F, F sharp or G flat, G, G sharp or A flat. After G sharp or A flat, it starts from A again. So A sharp or B flat, B, C, and so on. Each string is structured like this, and you already know the open notes on each string, E, A, D, G, B, E. So, based on the open string note, you can start mapping out all the remaining notes on each string. Scale shapes and the musical alphabet. The key of a song can be explained as the tonal center or key note of that specific song. It's basically the note that the song revolves around. So far, you've been playing this scale shape in just one key. But what if you want to jam with a song that is in a different key? Here's some good news for you. Scale shapes are connected to the musical alphabet in a very logical way. They're movable, so you can move them up and down the fretboard while the shape looks the same. And by moving the shape, the key of the scale shape changes. For now, you only need to focus on the thickest string here, which is the low E string. Now, visualize the scale shape on the fretboard. The first note in the scale, right here, decides which key it's played in. So wherever you position your index finger on the thickest string decides the starting point for the scale shape, and it also becomes the key for the shape. So if your index finger is on fret 5, then the shape will be in A minor pentatonic. And if you want to jam along to a song in C minor, you just move your index finger so the shape starts on fret 8. It's really that simple. This is a very good reason to learn all the notes on the thickest string. Dots on the neck. Most guitars have dots on the neck right here, marking the 3rd, 5th, 7th fret, and so on. These dots are of great use to quickly find a specific fret. So some advice here is to start memorizing the notes on the low E string for each dot. This will make it faster to locate specific frets and notes while you play. So the first dot is fret 3, second is fret 5, third is fret 7, fourth is fret 9, and then the double dots are fret 12, which is where the alphabet starts all over again. So the first dot after the double dots is fret 15. But both fret 3 and fret 15 are the same note, which is the G note on the thickest string. Same goes for the rest of the notes after the 12th fret. So the next dot is on fret 17, which is the same as the dot on fret 5. You should take some time to memorize these, and if it's too much with every single dot, you can start with the first 3 for now. The main takeaway from this video is that the shapes are movable, and your index finger's position on the thickest string decides the key you're playing this shape in.